What up? It's your boy King Dow 225 coming at you with another reactionary video. So hit that like and subscribe and become part of the kingdom. See, Uncle Ruckus or Officer Tater or Officer Tatum and Tap Dancing Toby, Black Conservative Perspective, and Aunt Jemima Owens. They ain't gonna talk about this. When I say reform the police, it's a whole, like, I'm not the defund the police type guy. You need the police. But you can't sit here and tell me that some of their procedures, some of how they deal with suspects, how they view black people, don't need to be altered. And they won't talk about this, these black people who love to go out of their way to make black people look bad, embarrass us, and try to stop our progress. Anytime you say defund the police or reform the police, they say, what about Chicago? Dude, Jalen Walker got shot at 90 times, and this dude made a despicable video excusing the actions. Like, man, y'all Negro bootlickers, y'all gonna stop, man. I ain't gonna say I'm an extremist, but I think outside the box. And you know, sometimes I be tired of yelling and hollering and talking to people about certain shit. So I like to think about outside the box solution. We talk about I always said maybe I'll feel better if no white officers patrol black neighborhoods. Cause I never had a real issue with black cops. I'd had interactions with black cops before. Interactions with white cops. I could tell the difference. You're like, man, that's kind of extreme, King. Now, just imagine for a second. If a black power extremist, almost like a Hebrew Israelite, was to become a police officer, and they just patrol white neighborhoods. How much would the community accept that kind of policing from their police department? None but black cops patrol who have certain biases against a certain race, patrolling that racist neighborhood. Every little petty fraction that they, just like they do us, would be blown up, magnified to epic proportions. Every transgression. Just like they do us, right? Man, but let's get to this video of more examples of why police departments need to be reformed. They need to be restructured. Keep telling they need to hire therapists, and then police need to motherfucker see a therapist every fucking week. And any sign of biases against race, people's color, race, or whatever, them motherfuckers need to be fired immediately. These police unions don't even need to exist. Qualified immunity, you're a fucking civil servant. Qualified immunity, that shit should be off the table. Bust your guns, and you're in the wrong, you're gonna get the same shit that the people who you try, you know, this mentality, like, oh, I gotta be bigger and badder than these criminals out here. No, if you in the wrong, you go to fucking jail too, because you supposed to be held to a high standard. But let's get to this sad video to watch. Man ends up paralyzed sitting in the back of a police van, not strapped in a seatbelt. And I want you to pay attention to how small this back of this van is. I feel like that is another form of police brutality. I never been arrested, never been to jail, but I have been in the back of a police car. And them fucking back of the police car spaces, it feel like it's intentional. Like it's criminal. Like, oh, you already guilty, so we gonna confine this space because you already convicted. Notice how small this space is in the back of this goddamn van. Let's get to the video. And the disturbing shit that some of these police say. Like, lack of training, like a fucking bunch of dundering idiots.
right?
I'm gonna pause it before it gets started because it is. I know a lot of the token brothers gonna be, "What are you doing that?" Man, he's handcuffed. He's in the back of the van. And I know for a fact, some petty officers will hit on the brakes intentionally because some suspect might be kicking a back of their seat. You need to be trained better. Like, what? That's like a kid back there throwing a tantrum. He can't do you nothing. He just irritating you. Control yourself. Let's continue this video. Man, might be claustrophobic.
I'm stopping. I'm gonna check you out. What happened? What?
See, that pushing on the brakes, even though you drove this van so many times, could be seen almost as an accident. Okay, now I see why it's so small. They split in half. That makes sense. That could be seen almost as if it was an accident. I accept it's an accident. Sometimes shit happens. But this shit afterwards, this lack of showing somebody humanity from this point on, it's just like, okay, maybe I could have let that slide. Pay the family some money, you keep your job. But this shit afterwards, the lack of human decency by the police, let you know how they feel. You just a criminal, a black body. Who fucking cares? Let's continue.
You fell.
Yes.
What happened? Can you move at all?
I can't move.
What? How your leg is all the way up there?
Understand me. Listen, brother.
All right, I can't move you, so I have to hold on. I'm gonna have to get an ambulance.
Listen, no.
Huh?
Yes, but understand.
You have to go ahead.
I fall. I cannot move my arms.
All right, do not move. I can see moving your arm.
No.
Okay.
Look at my hand.
All right, hold on.
Oh.
171.
171.
Can you start a signal 1? The subject in the van, he said he fell inside the van and he can't move. So I'm on my way to detention right now. So please, can you start me signal 1 over there?
Cops, either we can move you or you can wait till ambulance moves you.
Slide down, my man.
No, Jay.
Yo, slide down so you can get out of here.
Look, if you gotta drag me, do what you gotta do.
Alright.
Fuck what I like.
Drag it.
I'll let her relax for a minute.
Alright, there you go.
You're almost there. Just get your shoulders out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, stand up. There we go. All right.
Get up.
How you making out? Ready?
Get in.
Huh?
You ain't cracking. You just drink too much. No, you drink too much.
Okay.
Sit up.
We ain't gonna take that out.
I can't feel shit, bro.
Sit up.
Stop playing around.
Oh my God, bro.
Yeah, sit up. You're doing extra strength. Sit up. Sit up. What else did you have? Did you have any drugs and alcohol?
Listen, no.
You're not fine. How much? Okay. How much did you have to drink?
Oh, shit.
Oh my God, yo.
He's perfectly fine. You want to put these on? Yep. Hold on, Ron. Hold on, Ron.
That sergeant bitch need to go to jail. Fuck what you talking about. They done got suspended shit. That sergeant bitch, he just, what you had to drink? Like, I need to see a doctor, ho. Like, that sergeant bitch need to go to fucking jail. Don't pass go, don't collect $200. He'll sit your ass right there next to him. That's who you belong, but they gonna get away with it. They probably might get possibly fired because there's a lot of dark-skinned people in there. They'll throw y'all black ass away in a minute. Like, a black cop really got to be there to change the community because that blue wall turn on your ass so fast. Black cop kill a white tourist. Oh, they threw his ass under jail quick. Man, I know it's tough being a police officer with the shit you see. But I like to just let y'all remind this to y'all. I am a human. I have grandkids. Like, just because you might see me on a bad day, drunk, please don't think I am a criminal. I'm a thug. I'm here to destroy. I'm here for destruction. Sometimes I might need some help. Look at me as a human. Treat me as such. Treat me as if a policeman would have hit his head, how much medical attention he would receive. Not drug across the floor, not believed, not listened to. It's your boy King Dow 225 with another reactionary video. Hit that like, subscribe, become part of the kingdom.